The best cable management solutions reduce clutter, improve airflow, enhance safety, protect cables from damage, and create a clean, organized workspace. My today's video is about top 5 best cable management solutions that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Univivi No Drill Under Desk Cable Management Tray. A well-designed cable management tray can instantly transform a cluttered workspace, and this under-desk organizer delivers both capacity and convenience. Measuring 36 inches long, it provides generous space to neatly store bulky power adapters, extension cords, and cable bundles while keeping everything hidden beneath your desk. Its dual installation options, heavy-duty clamp-on or screw mounting, make it compatible with wood, glass, and metal desktops, giving users flexibility without sacrificing stability. One of its standout features is the foldable tray design, allowing quick access whenever you need to add, remove, or reorganize cables. Built-in cable ties help keep every wire securely in place, preventing tangles and improving overall organization. The flame-retardant 600D Oxford fabric, reinforced bottom support, and sturdy clamp system ensure excellent durability, even with heavier equipment. Before purchasing, measure your desk carefully, especially if it includes drawers or support bars. Overall, this cable management solution is a practical, durable, and highly effective choice for creating a cleaner, safer, and more organized workstation. Now our second product is Kotohim 36-inch under-desk cable management. A clean workspace can dramatically improve focus, and this 35.8-inch under-desk cable management tray is designed to eliminate cable clutter without compromising style. Its spacious interior easily accommodates large power strips, charging bricks, and bundled cables, making it an excellent solution for modern home offices and productivity setups. The drill-free clamp system features soft rubber padding that securely grips glass, wood, and other desktop surfaces while protecting them from scratches. Compatible with tabletops between 0.4 and 2.4 inches thick, installation is quick and completely reversible. Unlike traditional metal mesh trays, the enclosed high-density Oxford fabric design helps keep dust away from power strips while offering flame-retardant protection for added peace of mind. A reinforced bottom support board prevents sagging, ensuring the tray maintains a clean, premium appearance even under heavier loads. For households with pets, the enclosed design is especially valuable, keeping curious cats and dogs away from exposed wires. Overall, this is a durable, safety-focused cable management solution that creates a cleaner, more organized, and distraction-free workspace. Our third product is Scandinavian Hub No Screw Under Desk Cable Management. These cable management trays offer a simple yet highly effective way to transform a cluttered workspace into a clean, professional setup. One of their biggest strengths is their ability to hide messy cables, power strips, and adapters, creating a more organized desk that improves both aesthetics and productivity. Whether you're working from home or setting up a gaming station, the difference is immediately noticeable. Installation is refreshingly straightforward thanks to the strong adhesive backing. There's no need for drilling or special tools, and the adhesive provides a secure hold on smooth surfaces such as wood, glass, and laminate desks. Despite the tool-free design, the trays remain firmly in place and support multiple cables without sagging. Their spacious interior accommodates power strips, transformers, and cable bundles while keeping everything easily accessible. Built with durable materials, they maintain their shape and reliability over time. Overall, these trays combine convenience, durability, and a clean design, making them an excellent cable management solution for anyone seeking a tidier, safer, and more efficient workspace. Now number 4, SRJZMLY Multi-Model Under-Desk Cable Management. This multi-model under-desk cable management tray stands out for its flexibility and practical design, making it an excellent solution for organizing cables in virtually any workspace. With 2 modular trays included, you can configure them into a longer, wider, or taller setup to match your specific cable management needs. This customizable approach provides far more versatility than traditional fixed-size trays. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the screw-free buckle system and sturdy clamp design. There's no drilling or permanent modification required, making it ideal for home offices, gaming desks, or rented spaces where preserving the desktop is important. The adjustable design also makes repositioning easy whenever your setup changes, while lifting power strips, adapters, and cables off the floor. The tray creates a cleaner, safer, and more organized environment while reducing cable tangles and improving accessibility. Beyond desk organization, its modular design is versatile enough for use as a kitchen spice rack or a general storage organizer. Overall, it's a durable, adaptable, and space-saving cable management solution that delivers outstanding value and convenience. And our last choice is K Extra Large 48-inch Under-Desk Cable Management. The KEGH Under-Desk Cable Management Tray is a practical solution for anyone looking to eliminate cable clutter and create a cleaner workspace. Its spacious 28-inch design easily accommodates power strips, charging bricks, adapters, excess cables, and other accessories, while the enclosed fabric construction keeps everything completely hidden for a sleek, professional appearance. Installation is simple and flexible, with both clamp-on and screw-mount options available to suit different desk types. The sturdy frame and 7 included fastening straps keep cables securely organized, ensuring long-term reliability even in busy work or gaming setups. Rubber-padded clamps protect wood, glass, and metal desktops from scratches, making it an excellent choice for standing desks and traditional office furniture alike. Constructed from premium flame-retardant Oxford fabric, the tray adds an extra layer of safety while maintaining durability and a refined look. Available in multiple sizes, it can be tailored to different spaces or combined for larger setups. Overall, the K Cable Management Tray delivers outstanding organization, safety, and versatility, making it a worthwhile upgrade for any desk. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.